Hey y'all, it's Charity and I'm here today with a quick candy apple tutorial. I use 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, which in this case is Karo syrup, and 1 cup of water. You also need a candy thermometer. Well, it's actually optional. What you see me putting in was also optional. It's white icing color. The purpose of using that is to prevent your apples from being see-through. Yeah. So also you just wipe your apples down. Like that's really the only method of cleaning them. However, it has to happen 2 days in advance because you use boiling hot water to clean them, dip them for like maybe 5 seconds, pull them out, wipe them down, and sit them to the side for 2 days. So this is just me re-wiping them after they've been sitting out and then putting the sticks inside. I like to have my candy mixture on until 280. 300 is actually hard crack rock for candy, but you don't have to, I don't know. When I take the mixture off at 280, it's still cooking. So I take it off so that I can start working with it immediately, get my color going. You don't need a candy thermometer, but the bubbles will start fast and then slow down and get thicker. That's how you know your mixture is almost done. Also, you need to keep your apples separate from your heat. If you can tell, I have a silicone mat over there. And at this point, when I take it off is when I add in more of my color. Okay, as you've just seen, I have taken my mixture off. But when you take your mixture off, it's still cooking, so I'm pretty sure it got to 300. So you just bring your mixture down. So at this point, you've got all your bubbles and stuff out. Dip it, spin it. Try to get everything covered. Pull it up. That's a good apple. And I like to just sit mine right back on the heat. Once that happens, you kind of spin it. Drop it off. I don't know if you can see that drop off. But same thing. It's kind of in your wrist work. Get in there, spin it, spin it. Shake it on low. Boom. These are like a cute cotton candy color. I'm trying to get out the door so my baby can go to a birthday party. It's a drive-through in quarantine. I just have 2 more to do. This was a full mixture of me using the 4 cups of sugar and hold on. Make sure you get it all covered. These are big apples. So this is about the size. Of course, we use a full mixture for this, but of course the candy size, lunchbox size apples, you could do a half mixture. It sounded like I heard a bubble, but shake it. This is where you can see bubbles and things like that would be forming if you had any. You see that's good shine. And that's why you have to clean your apple. My last little apple. You could use the rest of this mixture for candy, like actual candy suckers, candy grapes. This is a trick that I use. I kind of pull it towards me, drag it towards me. Also, you have to re-dip it in here because the mixture will get starting to get hard. So you really have to work quickly. And if, like, say for example, something is kind of scraped like this, you just dip it right back in there. Shake it, shake it. So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful to someone, inspired you to try something different. This is a quick little last minute order that I'm glad I could show you guys on camera. Let's take you over. Hey y'all, this is the finished look. These are the apples with their toppers. Look at that shine. It was a rush job, but I am very pleased with the outcome. And I don't know if you remember when I told you I thought I heard a bubble. I did. It's a huge bubble on the other side of another one. But for that reason, we make more than enough apples. We dip more than enough apples just because anything could happen. I'm really pleased with these. These are watermelon flavored. And I'm using Super Neon from Hobby Lobby. But these are it. I'm about to bag them and get them out the door. Guys, sublimation videos will be back soon. However, my printer, I had to get a replacement, so I'm showing you guys the other sides of what I do. Also going to finish up the fringe backdrop tutorial that I was making for something that I was working on last week, an event, which if you guys don't know, I also do events in addition to customs. So while we're waiting on my printer to arrive, you will get candy apple and a backdrop. So thanks for watching, guys. All my new subscribers, I appreciate you, and I hope you love it here. Bye.